So my people, me have some things to share with Uno because Blinga come out, come adjust the situation where them a say video out and picture out with her and Ray go on with a bag of things, you see me? So she come adjust the situation, then me go make you hear what she say. I don't know, say the man come apologize and say, yo, him wrong for do what him do and whatever. You see me I say? And also my people K jump off wicked pan live cause she, Daima, and the next woman they pan live and she jump off wicked because somebody come on the live and come style her, you know what I mean? Say the man no want her, you don't know the man already. And she and the man in some little vibes somehow. I don't know if them good or them no good cause me on and off the media certain way. So she come here now my people and adjust the woman will jump on the live and say some things about her. Say the man no want her, the man just want a green card for forward or foreign and whatever. You see me? So we're gonna chat about that. And my people also rosealee jump on the live and kinda talk about the bling situation. So we're gonna get into that, my people. Also my people, Slime and TJ talk about the whole situation what going where he kinda look away for him and the Lion Man and Shana Chin ex-man. You see me I say? So them talk about the knockings and clappings will go on and the man them will drop out. You see it? So we're gonna get into that also my people. So here we go on, we're gonna kick it off with the rosealee and then we're gonna get into the rest.
Please make her husband left her. Blinga is my friend, right? And she posts upon her status and say her husband leave her. You understand? Her husband leave. Hold on, them call her person. I tell them what to do. Wait, give me a second. So, I look me seeing her status, right? And what's up, honey? It burn me hard to see the things them and the things them. So the woman husband leave her because of misfortunate at police. But what I want to read to tell the public is that sometime good morning and our we take a who we take up. Because police class her. Him class her down to the ground. I know what really bother me. She should have really do the when the story come out with him and Mada and Sky, she should have really do that court case there. Bad girl, what's up? She should have really do that court case there. I said she didn't do that court case there. But sometimes with certain people, I will try to cover up for them, then I will cover up for we. Well, Sophia, that is true still. You understand? That is true still, you know. But at the end of the day, all of we cheat, nobody not perfect. Him shouldn't do the woman that any at all. Well, look at me then. Him should do the woman that any at all because at the end of the day, the woman come back to take out him rotten teeth. And it bothers me. One time I mean that look. One night time them I mean did I look. One night time I mean him did I look. Him that look me and for make me know so them there's something that can't work. Because you can't take your work here so you can't take a man to work you say you know it's a judgment. And that my blame being a far. You work yasso, you can't come take yasso. Come take one man yasso about your boyfriend. And you bring down. And if he know your status here, so he will use it against you. All underneath picture me see I go viral. Carelessness. All underneath picture me see I go viral. Carelessness. I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. You know, I'm very disappointed. But can't say I'm disappointed that they rock back there. I'm very disappointed not being because you're a big man where go through a lot of relationships and know what is what. So I'm disappointed not you, not him. Because as all time people say, if I never status, right? And what's up, honey? It burn me hard to see the things them and the things them. So the woman husband leave her because of misfortunate at police. But what I want to read to tell the public is that sometime good morning and our we take a who we take up. Because police class are him class are down to the ground. I know what really bother me. She should have really do the when the story come out with IVANY N MADA and Sky, she should have really do that court case there. Bad girl, what's up? She should have really do that court case there. I said she didn't do that court case there. But sometimes with certain people, I will try to cover up for them, they never cover up for we. Well, Sophia, that is true still. You understand? That is true still, you know. But at the end of the day, all of we cheat, nobody not perfect. Him shouldn't do the woman that. Any at all. Well, look at me then. Him should do the woman that any at all because at the end of the day, the woman come back to take out him rotten teeth. And it bothers me. One time I mean that look. One night time them I mean did I look. One night time I mean him did I look. Him that look me and me for make me know so them there's something that can't work. Because you can't take your work here so you can't take a man to work here so you know it's a judgment. And that my blame being a fan. You work yes so, you can't come take yes so. Come take one man yes so about your boyfriend. Yes I bring down. And if you know your status here so, he will use it against you. All underneath picture me see I go viral. Carelessness. All
some people with the thing with him and the woman no name Sky or man no name Sky, cause I don't know the which way she go. If you don't know what I mean, seeing nobody were involved with somebody and still love them now go really take up that and prolong it and make it big over the media. You see me knowing Blinga platform. So Blinga now go on take up that because she go on to just fade away and them come off her name because her man. You see me I say, and you never really know a person until you know them, you know, because you are one. Him can be a certain type of person, but when him get hurt, maybe him don't know if he angle himself. You see me I say, remember you know, man, all bounty kill. Remember when the angel and bounty killer mash up in a man, the man a love song the man go sing, you know, a big hit song the man go find, you know. You see me I say, a man has bounty, them never know bounty have them the type of song there in him. So you don't know when a man hurt what go come out time. It come like him find himself and him apologize or something, but him make it bad for himself said way, you see it. So we could listen to some more Rosalie say, and also remember we are going to hear what Blinga said way, see?
underneath picture me see I go viral. Carelessness. I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. You know, I'm very disappointed. But can't say I'm disappointed that the rock back there. I'm very disappointed not being because you're a big woman where go through a lot of relationships and know what is what. So I'm disappointed not you, not him. Because as old time people say, if you never lie with dog, you shall never rise with flea. I want the police are smaddy. Police are smaddy. Police are smaddy for your class, yo. Police are smaddy. Police are smaddy. Police are smaddy for your class. Blinga police is nobody on the top. And she I'm gonna talk upon you. Say if I fish in an aquarium. Me say burn me, I say. Me say if you don't cut me, me say if you cut me, you don't see no blood. If I fish in an aquarium, it burn me because I look at all them, me put all that the stink of the boy class people. You don't even look good. It burn me. When the girls them throw the girls them in have a problem. When the girls them throw the girls them in have a problem. You come like you go get something out of it. Big stinking, big see motor, big stinking. You must look at you. What up like that? Chat me like look at you. Eh? What blinga took up and feed? Almost they go get care for go foreign. Then they blinga when blinga look for you, blinga never say fish like you. Blinga never say fish for you. People, the reason why blinga sky, and that's why she never do it. The reason why blinga never do the court case, guys, stop the live. The reason blinga never do the court case, when the argument come out with Sky, me see why she never do it. I see why she never do it. I see why when the argument come out with Sky, I see why she never do it. Because at the end of the day, Shannon did there and him stay so. Sweet Hands, good morning. You can't beg us something, my baby. You can't walk come out and say. Sweeter than honey, beg something, my baby. Guys, wanna put two live will I meantime. What you ever come out and say? When you know your name get involved. Stone disgrace. Sweeter than honey, stone disgrace. I wanna take man for do up and down.
How would that?
Blinga me attack.
I think that police about the boy that man.
I'm a friend, but to bring down the big man, I don't like it.
For real, I don't like for real.
Like you not get smarty man.
For real. I'm a call me Splinger's name for him get views for him live. That I realize. Him have to use woman name for him live full. Me, just go and meet him at it. But this him, I'm jump off, I'm scream.
Zuma, but they are ready when the whole of inner side team are rocking out.
Yeah.
And woman club on our platform and beg money team got a dentist. When I look him in a one bar and appear, fish a car couple 2 years in the pan. For the whole time. But go play a match shot. But at the end of the day, me have to give, blinga have to take some accountability for that one, yeah.
Yeah, she have to get some beating.
You have to take the accountability, you know, she have to take a lot of accountability. She too careless. Because me not fly come to Jamaica to one boy who can't rent to one car who got chauffeur driven in a hit. I want me living in the suburbs, because plane fear dear. What's that shot?
Mix! Yo, Mix, I go on my father. Where say I told the lion?
No, you can't rent one cook car. Oh, me for how much you put that text man worse than me.
Yeah. Real man.
Oh, me for how much you put that text man worse than me. That's why me want to rock cradle. Somebody worse than me.
If you come up with a woman name now, man, for true.
What up, say a chat? Me and her friend, I can't tell her this bluntly. Bring her too careless. I careless discuss this.
I say, pour up chat.
All discussed by carelessness. Cause you don't learn to take man not like a boys. Real man wouldn't act like that. We don't got to take up boys who are money hungry and craving. We're money hungry and craving, Taylor. You got to take up boys who are money hungry and craving. You got to take a man, real man. You could have left your husband with your him can say. Sure. What's up, say a chat? Zuma.
Yeah.
You have somebody left. You know, say I 8 man who got them one argument to do man all the while. You hear somebody argue, pick up and they start to argue too. Eh?
Yeah.
Do man come and do man the session you. You know, go on. Go on.
You have never known
this one, she said she never did this one. You're in an interview and you want Carol and you want bring her in a look good. People talk. That don't look good. I mean to come out. Me say no bring her for the now Zuma rise up the batty argument pan him. Make him leave a shut up sense. Cause me no more everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
That's if you do.
Not done. Triple chat.
Top sniper.
Come the chat, man.
Top sniper, Jayden. You know,
I'm talking about good girl, them Kayla. Come chat to
bad galaxy there. Top striker, Jayden.
Alright, so people, let me know what you think of this youth, yeah. Me can see say him find a mistake, but guess what? What him do? Can't rub out. You see me? Him find a mistake and him apologize, but that now go change what go come to him. Cause as me say, my people, a woman cannot look upon him as a man where should have want to deal with, but when she go look and see say, boy, him do this with blinga, what him a go do with she? You see me I say? So him should have composed himself more better and don't come out come this the woman and release where him release. Although me not see nothing, me go hear people attack and I just some specific people me see attack, so me not really know what go on for real there. So you see me? So we are gonna go over to the next me people. We are gonna go over to Blinga, you know what your Blinga have to say about the whole thing.
Because that sale is not on a queen. When I go to Jamaica, I don't stay in a dirty place. I stay in a nice Airbnb and sometimes hotel. So, all the queen, plus me live in America. And me, I go skin out my I have a boy have him phone a video it, and when me have a phone can video it myself. But because you know want something for run with and bring down girl, you know do this. Look, one of you can post herself with my face or me. Wanna post a next picture and say me and put a heart in front. What happened to the editor them on the app? Why everybody quiet so? Why is it when it come on to blinga, everybody quiet? When the editor them there, what if you take off the art and show the people them say that is not Miss Blinga? Where are those people? You don't see them. They're silent. Some of them has taken off the heart off the face and see who it is. But I'm sure on my children, and I don't play with my kids, that is not Miss Bling. I might be careless because I'm nice. I'm letting people in my circle. I'm want to help everybody. I'm kind. I'm sorry for people. I'm a this, I'm a that. But seriously, to blood clot. Wanna make this make sense. Me skin out my sore on my foot and on my heel. Me live a foreign, me have a different complexion. Me have a different what? Complexion. No matter how you see my face black, my body brown underneath. Me I tell you that. Me not there in my yard, so I can't show you my skin. But me I go tell you say when I reach on my yard, me I go show you my skin. My leg them down black. But because I don't want things for the girl so bad, I also want a big woman me see her run with this and attack. You don't have to eat me now. Cause no blood clot get old now. A man done pound now. I'm here 43. I'm look like blood clot 24. Some man done pound now. So true because me have a nice face. One day me will have a perfect hourglass body. Yeah. Me did have it before me start have kids. How you gonna bring me down on social media? With what? What you gonna use? Wanna get some video of people of wanna come and post it. Wanna say wanna never remember say the floor dirty or which part the people that look bad. Wanna remember say the girl was skin out. She even look slimmer. The blood clot on do. Eh? Wanna have not upon me. Wanna go dig up and talk about me send out video. Man. The gentleman and Batman. Which part of me send out the video? The gentleman depend the video window. You know, me I show her vibes. The gentleman is on the video with the child. Them taking picture. She record him. Okay, they have that video. And who sent out that video? Who sent that video out? Tell us. No, there were some other videos with some other gentleman, and even a Rasta man was there, and his video was out with the other guy. I mean, even come tell him say that is not the gentleman. On the too wicked, stop it. My son, stop it. On the too wicked, I know the youth that. So how me come now? Una see me put out video when that the video did out. Why nobody? Me have one question. Why me not see nobody a question them or something here? Why nobody not question them or something here and say no? Those video came out where one of the brother even run away from him district. When Ashanti trick the youth.
Alright, so my people, more to tell me what you think in the comment section. More to tell me if you think a lie, bling a lie, so or I them a tell lie upon him. You see me I say? Because boy, me did I look for the video. I mean I see it, me did I look for the picture them. And me can't find them. And as me I say, only a selected few people me hear talk about it. So this look like a something we cook up people. You know what I mean? Cause remember Bling down at Jamaica how long, you know, and as Bling left Jamaica, so that's a foolishness. So me don't know if you believe no more, yeah, man. So I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. We are going to listen some more.
Aris, but I tell you what go on. Them I go self-destruct, the whole of them on the draw chair. When the Ashanti chick, the man them video they come out. Uno well want bring down girls so bad to blood clot. And it not work. It just not working. It not work. Uno can't bring me down. Mine not there in the media. Mine not there in the media. So, me don't know what I talk about. And if my put in the media, it a go look good. It a feel look good. Because me a go shave up nice. And me a go take one picture of it. And remember, guys, let's remember, I don't take pictures without filters. What me say? I do not take pictures without what? Filters. So I got a nice clean shave and take and be filtered. If me fi post. Big up on yourself, what's the one blame? But because no wants the girl get bring down so bad, on a giant group, them make group. And say them I go drop video in there of blinga or so. And then claim so them drop picture with blinga hang down head. No found a genius on this. Wholly found a genius. So how none of remove the art from half of the person where them say a blinga. Eh? You want to tell me say the whole of uno de on TikTok and video drop say our picture drop say a blinga so and none of remove the art for blood clot see blinga? Eh? None of uno? Look for me, I'm full of edges over here so. Which part of me here pick out? Me not take picture without filter. Me not do video without filter. Me tired for tell you no. Go through all of my TikTok. Go through all of them. And you know we see. Me filter up. Me filter up. Alright, you know come back now. You know drop one little put. A big girl like me can have the lazy put. We drop. Tell me if a big back girl like me, you know we make this make sense. Can have the lazy we drop. You see all of the people them were in the group. You know is a set of shithouse and drunk. I know have daughters, I know have mothers, and you know have you self. On some germs. Remember me telling you. I wish me did know someone who in the group. That's when I now watch me. I wish me did know someone now. That's when I now watch me. My black on now. On a worthless. On is a worthless. When I walk around down and look for girl. When I walk around down and look for girl safe. Or still. On a wicked. So, I turn this over now. Like I could turn it round for a minute. Let's say a blinga post. What that fi do to blinga? Like what it's supposed to do to blinga? Somebody please tell me. What is that supposed to do to her? If a blinga. Alright, we're turning around everything now, you know. Let's say a blinga in the video of all who were there, so we never get type 1. If you never skin out your whole and for type 1. God shall big up your badness, goodie. Alright, we turn around the situation where I'm going now. So tell me something. That video, what is it going to do to blinga? Let's say uno say a blinga, you know. Remember? Uno say a blinga and them say a blinga. Oh, fitness, thank you, you're awesome. Uno say a blinga. So, where do to blinga? Or where to go do? What going to happen to blinga with this we post? Let's say it's her. What is going to happen to her? Is there, they might go lock her up? They might lock her up or something? Me no know if you don't know say una brand right now by doing these things. Even if me I sell a back road and I sell privately, I will not go post my and batty and you know with my brand. Did you guys know with my brand? Tell me.
I could.
Right, go.
There, man, you know. Blinga, you know me and feeling.
Some people, this JTV, I go forward on the live, come talk to Bling about the situation. And people, me are telling you the truth. Me don't know who to believe or what to believe. You understand? Because for all me know, I cook up this and I run with it for the people, them get entertained and get them people to come, whatever. You see me, I say, because, Jano, as me say people, I just couple people me here talk about video and talk about picture. You understand? And now Bling come say them share it in some type of group or whatever. And the people them a say them no like Bling and Ray and enough of them and Bling no good and them something there. So we not see none of the picture them for none of them site here. We not see none of the picture them. Only them know. Say picture put out and them have picture. So what about everybody else? That's why I say why I can't believe what they must say. So I watch some more still.
Different for a long time, Bling our channel, man. If you told me see this thing I go. Right now you don't need to get back to your regular live and then thing there. So you pray because I tell you the real thing, you know. As a man, we have my daughter, and my mother and my sister. Me shame to see side them where woman them nowadays are take to bumbo clad.
Them have to take it because
in a real life. No, Bling, just give me a chance to talk. In a real life, some I blame the upon you. Because I blame you in a whole heap of way because I can't believe it. You make one like a dirty bumbo clad boy sit down and a try bring you down like that. And I can't believe that the woman them really sit down and gang up and I make some man a chat something. You see, I remember show you a thing, you know. Me no business with him, you know, if I did never want man where you claim saying been with you, you know. You see, if it's just a random man that's run him out and attack foolishness, it's different. But if you know, say, as somebody was saying, lay down with you, and then he come out and him a chat then thing there. Yo, if I never you know, me I tell you, you know, I want next man do that to one woman, you know, me I tell you, say, Bro, it's so fucked up. And I tell you the truth, me and my daughter, me and my sister, me and my mother. And I really have to look on them and I say, yo, woman we say them must stand up for them one another. They only stand up for them one another to bring down other man. Where they with one woman, we are trying best to help the woman, but ain't have enough money. That time only time woman stand up for them one another to bring down good man. Me I tell you, but look on a situation like this, yo, me say me there. And every day I see it, I swear upon my life, it hurt me to my heart. And I say, yo, me could never, in a one argument, no matter how for my wife hurt me could never go out and disgrace my wife like that. Bro, every woman have flaws, every woman have ray. But as a man, a youth, you know, so what you know, you go work with it, you now work with it. And it take a man who you lie down with for bowl you and bring your blood clot down for disgrace you in a media and then call himself man. And I don't know how enough woman would have sit down and look on him after the day and after and do that and feel like they're open up their foot to him. You tell me, say, woman a thinker, woman have sense. You know, if you say world gone, them a woman and have no sense, they not turn up for them one another. Yo, me feel so fucked up, you know, say, I want a man, I do this, and call myself a man, and blinga. Let me show you why. Me tell you, say, you feel blame too. You know why that? You know that you the most light, because I say, me I don't want for another person because it's a youth when I always watch an emote light. You see when chase with other woman and quick to disrespect other woman and rare emote light. That's something we should see. And rare, but guess what now some people don't pay attention to red flag. But me just say this. If you say yo, woman them a turn up for themselves.
My love.
Them a turn up for themselves for wrong reason. For wrong reason. And me hear people panning live last night that talk about hurt, why you hurt. So you tell me, say, even if me have picture with my woman, I do anything, and me hurt, me have the right to come out and I disgrace my woman, somebody when me lay down with and I talk be things through me hurt. I don't know if me have sense. You know, so say, oh no, I really think about you, no man, who wanna hurt. Me no found no woman hurt people before. Think about the man who wanna hurt before. Come out and a chat be things about no wanna let go be things about no that call him man. Me sure no one that same about him man. So why difference now? Through blinga probably somebody we not like. Just take it facts a blinga out it and put one another female in a situation. Just look at it and say yo, it's a female listen. Bro, enough people not gonna like me blinga because you know me as a youth, me always I go talk it truth. And me no pick up when it come to her. If me in one situation where me have to defend myself, me go defend myself and me go be rude. But guess what now? I always try to motivate people and to try to make people see a brighter side, bro. You can't get up and a fight down a woman so and a man who ain't lay down with I go tear him down and not agree with it. You see, if it was a regular man, somebody where you don't lay down with, when you know not about you couldn't say yes, he does a chase him around him more. But somebody where you lay down with, you fuck. And I'm tell you this, I say, what goes around, it comes around. And enough of woman will sit down and agree with it. Just remember, say, no seeing to know.
Jamaica not fuck them body. Me about a blood. Me stay with my blood clot bun. Me sure about me bun, but me not sure about no body blood clot business. And now go come and ask me say, what is your deepest fantasy? Everyone ask one of the deepest fantasy cause body fetish and a blood clot have. Like Shalom the blood clot dread. Go ahead. Me rather stay with one of and the one of the girl them put. Me rather that more than put up and body man it. Remember say be a body man now. I'm afraid of the boy them. He stay on my blood clot chef. Blood clot bun. Go ahead.
No man, I remember you now walk and drop. Remember when you come to the man say I'm gonna walk and drop down on the knee. Now walk and blood clot drop. But you know on the week when I walk and drop, when I sit down sleep. Because the boy them put anesthetic in on the pussy no blood clot. When you sit down sleep.
What then? All when me not, you know about me, all when me not business about the blood clot man. Me couldn't tell when me chat about the man, post man talk about the man. Me not give one of them the blood clot man. Every time we walk, me want to not come about
10. Now, if you know him girl, you know call me blood clot name for. Stop calling me name now, man. All of me not member 10, you know want remind me of blood clot 10. I want me so. I find me there with my blood clot. Pitney and Paris just come and she hear my mouth. What I do now? All of me not talk about nothing, you know bring up 10 name. I want. Me no, wanna take him on name him no blood clot. Cause all you know I work for the ears to me up for the place. I'm not ready for pregnant from a forehead.
Yeah, wait a little. Come here, people. I want you over your family life, okay? I want you over your family life and talk about it. Why beat Kayona for 10? Bad way, Mado. 10 and way, Mado. Why beat Kayona? And them now highlight over you say, you're an independent blood clot young girl who achieve so much out of life. Them don't want to acknowledge that part and someone knows a bad mind active in the earth. Why would not get the props so she independent of blood clot? See a young local girl. See a young girl independent of all these things that she not discount. Who can't be not for please? Kayona, come here. You're independent of blood clot, but you're not a wally powder and independent like that and not done. Kayona, true, you're independent and that's a kill them because them have the pillar to post the blood clot and them now have nothing, that's why them hate you, okay? Them have pillar to post and from God was a boy and from Jah wear slippers. Now them can't own nothing in a life and you work hard and own the things and you any boy where you want to take any of them.
I told them not cheat for me cute bars. The whole of them did want of it. Then did want so we can't tear down care. We know who care and who care. And that's the problem. Cause all of me up and me care and pride. So you see when me ready to go, and me I tell you something, I say this for my life in a diamond cute bars. You see if I argument for bust out right now and say me the have a look about the side. The whole of them that still come by me. None of them still come by me. Them are gonna come say, watch how she go like she things and she on the boy. Nobody now gonna pretend it up on me. Nobody now gonna have a blood clot that me not me know for sure. So me now gonna have satisfaction with my dick. And me alone for this and satisfy when it get your bright here. No satisfaction in the world. But lick out to no mother.
Exactly, Kayona, cause them now bring it down because them.
Hey people, one thing me have to say, can love that G there still, you know? Yeah man, can love that you the bigger one thing, man. You see me I say, but she have to understand say the G are artist and him at a road. You know what I mean? So if you are gonna stick, if you are gonna stay and just ignore some of the things them, as long as him not put it brawling in your face certain way. You see me? Because my people, our grandmother and grandfather, them, you know, remember when them used to there, you know, we come see for your grandparents, them have how much pitney, and sometimes they have some outside pitney and sitting, and the grandmother still staying in the relationship. Because you are going, my people, you see them the time there was no such thing as independent woman. You see me? So them have to calm themselves in a relationship. But nowadays, independent woman has little bun go on, them ready to dash for the whole relationship. Them too independent nowadays. Me nah see a woman fi sit down in a relationship but she not feel love and the man a go on with all different type of things. But come on, some of the time you have to just worry out cause you love the man, cause you a go on. Man a go cheat. And I don't say boy him love a woman who him a cheat with, that just in a man nature fi cheat. So look what some more people.
Them want bring you down a bad mind, make them a bring you down. Them not a go you have them own where you own and that.
Two girls a dead man and the whole of we a get blood clot bun. I mean alone I get blood clot bun.
And that's why you come over here, okay, and attack it, you know. That's why me and say Blinga must just come out and come put out for the quarter fan. I saw my
blood clot parade. And you know what? Sometimes when a man and a cousin and a sister and a blood clot auntie them, bueno, you ever seen a family member can come up? Me and my family them tear down this day. I never hear them say 10 look them at them. And anybody will tell want a film business or film blood clot.
Tell them say 10 yet.
And that's the thing. Them act like so me come over here, come pick up female and go on. Then me take down everything from my page with 10. When I give a phone, me not do 10 nothing. But they allow me alone and you can't allow me alone, man.
Last time me checking, okay. 10 man never will out kick you, so you're not supposed to be the way I want to do with it.
Thank you.
Don't tell them for lawyer, okay? When them not go lawyer, you're crazy, or them for lawyer, you're independent. Where ya? Or you expect them for lawyer? Your mother know much girl you beat bad. Lawyer where? Leave them, let them beat up them blood clot screen. Them not go lawyer, them not go ever lawyer. Them still be a greatness in a you, so them not fake. All of them fake no blood clot. Them not go like your cake cause you're independent cause them love girl when them above them, no want a girl way above them. And that them hate you for them see too much greatness in you and God in the earth where you say them not go love you, not go happen. No day, no time. Which holiday and no so might not go happen. Okay, you pray that and you continue to be great and them can't see you don't fall. When them ready, them come with all kind of things all of your party. Them come with competition. Normally when promoter keep party, them not behave. Them want no old bar or sell. Them not got time for beard. You're lucky you did blood clot beard. Them always a come for you because you have too much greatness in your reach. Now me tell you something, Tayona. Make the majority hate you because the majority fake. Deal with the minority who love you and them real. People love me a blood clot.
Because I'm in a blood clot mix up with nothing upon this. Me not run back on nobody. Look at people that won't have a follow me. I love them like life. Cause them push me from
But them you have to love.
You're crazy. You come out for me now. You don't want the man me go on him man. You still a follow me up for. If me over here not talk about one man argument. You say him. Me then I house and me a rub man and the man in a house and you still a say a man problem. Or me feel have man problem and man in a blood clot house beside me. You come and say me come to come watch man. You never see nobody come to Jamaica come watch man and in a man house. Me come to Jamaica and rent me own blood clot house. So me did want watch man. When me never then I see about that makes sense Daima. If me come to Jamaica for watch man in a man house me for there. When me go rent house.
Okay, come here. Okay, come here. Alright, 10 no want you, right? 10 no want you, you know. And how much years now you and 10 the cake? Come here, you know. Oh, I know nobody knows we owe them 8 the amount of evidence should have the 10 not take no selfie with none of them.
Wait for the evidence them. Push them out before
10 not take no selfie with none of the girl them to show out to no shame.
And they know that their hand and their foot will broke when them do it and licking a face and thumping about.
No, okay, you can't say that now. There's a possibility so them not even get a selfie.
You can tell them say, them get a selfie but them can't put it out because they know a beat up who go on.
Hey, come here. Yeah, it don't make sense you take a selfie where you can't put on. Me not take a picture with no boy when you can't put. Why me ever have it in my phone to look for it? Me want to post it. I will see people answer right now.
Every screen record you under done me. And when me eat for blood clot, there's nothing to justify. Me, you know, me just telling you to push out one or push out. And we all know how the boy them stay. Push out if your body you get licking them out. That's all. If you nobody enough and you know that the boy can't lick on the mouth and lick on the face. And push out. Push out to the picture them and on the top of them. Push out your message them, girl. Me I stop you.
You can't believe what the women are saying.
Bring me done, can no one bring me done. What kind of justify? Me never yet come from this and hype up and say, no, my boyfriend is not. The boy is a box with a big cake. Say me go and uno put real like out the door. Uno put real like the blood clot breeze. So tense up the whole on the throat. Uno ever hear me come from this and I say, I never do this, I never do that. Me say myself beat my blood clot man more than how me to beat Uno. Me beat I said that for the first time when I call him blood clot name.
One day on a new level now.
Things are going on the app, half an app where you don't know about no dog.
No, Italian, when they come here, some Italians say a joke. I don't know a joke because we get video for true. Things go on a Waltham for true. For the party and the joke.
You don't talk about that, brother.
Oh.
Things are going where you don't know about, but you see time.
Bro, that's dad. I don't have your number, you know.
Time reveals everything.
You need to inbox my number, bro.
Some people say Slime and TJ, yeah, and it's like even TJ skeptic. TJ no want to talk about the situation that even Slime him even want to mention the people in place. You know what I mean? So boy, my people, me don't know what really go on and who involved in a what, but it looks serious to me. Cause if them not mention it and that the place there where whatever go on a bad man place. You see what I say? So them have to know what them want to do still, you know. As public figures, them have to know what them want to do because you can't mix in a foolish. Although I not say them a mix up, but you, certain man you can't par with, you can't have your links them or something, but you have to know how you par with certain man because you are going. If them can't catch at them on there and them see you, them are going to hurt you. You see me I say? So you have to keep certain things far away from you and certain people far away from you as a public figure. But make you watch some more my people and then we are gonna go over IVANY and the woman we name Mada catch up scene. So make you watch some more of this, then we go over there.
So inbox say, well, we not really bring certain things from the media either way, is it?
Yeah, bring it, you know.
No. No, brother, no.
It's easy, you know, dog.
If you bring from the media, them not gonna understand, and you understand what you say, but them are taking the wrong way, brother.
Make the media understand, bro. Me make they understand. But we just watch it play. So.
Thank you, very great. Thank you.
You know.
I have an idea where you're talking about, I'm just not sure if I that.
Top of the screen, team, Rich.
I'm not sure, so I'd rather wait till you message me and then you can make me know what is what. But things are going on Waltham for true. I'm not thinking for good.
Stop mentioning the name, the bro. Stop mentioning the man in the place. I'm not talking about that.
So something separate from that, you're talking about all of that. Alright.
Give it time.
Yeah, as I said, just message me that.
Wow, I'm doing this, I have no to do with that.
Okay.
So I didn't admit that. Just admit me. So everybody else admit them. Anyways.
I want to be a friend. Friends it home. As I said, bro, we keep it off for the media. Alright, Kimberly, I follow you. Kimberly, I follow you.
You?
Eh?
I'm not keep off for this media. Everything about the media.
Says, oh, this sounds serious, man.
What me say here? Off of which media? When
Jayden land,
we do corruption. Just wait for corruption. I'm not going to see corruption. I don't think we know corruption, you know. I was sure of
yes, because people are with a problem. I don't know if it takes life seriously. Come on, chat. Guys, 13 rows, guys. 13 rows.
I was sure of corruption, brother.
Guys, 13 rows, guys. 13 rows.
13 rows.
Everybody drop a rows, guys. Everybody drop a rows. Everybody drop a rows.
Focus, chat.
Come on, Mr. Everybody drop a rows. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. 2 more rows, guys. 2 more rows. 1 more, 2 more rows. One more. Shaki.
On your life, brother, you know, call me. You know you're good. Stop call me, brother.
Zoe! Zoe. Thanks to the Galaxy. The guys, anybody else? Zoe, make sure you register for my match Friday and Zoe, 4 o'clock. Please to register for my match 4 o'clock this Friday. Friday, guys. Glam! Since so much and I'm putting it live on something I'm gonna can't see. Cause I know I remember, you know. I'm kind of open up to the wrong picture.
Come on, chat.
See that, guys? 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, guys.
Shoot. Use the triple, chat. Use the triple.
16, 12.
Use the triple, chat. La. Chat, use the triple, chat. Use the triple.
That was no, bro. You just like, what? I don't know nothing else, so. Me here when we're here.
You know. DJ, don't
guys, watch out for this side. We're not no gloves. Me, I save the rose and put it on for Friday. Alright, sexy diva. I know it gets serious. No, this is a terrible show, guys. I want to, but normally I don't know a little sitting, but I don't know nothing for show. But by later, I'm here. Alright, I get a call. Friday, you send 2 money gun. I look out for it, you know. And you send them, I go tell everybody, say you promise me money gun, I not come with it. Alright. Trust calling. I know people business, man.
Come on, chat. Everybody focus.
Guys, port up our roads, guys. Port up our roads, guys. The screen recording is out. Guys, Friday I'm a match. Chat. Friday, this Friday, official match. This Friday, 4 p.m.
Man in a militant dude.
Oh, Italy, remember?
Dog. One brother, 14 brother.
Flag.
Bro, me not like clothes, bro. I don't feel like me like clothes. Yeah, bro. Not sure something.
Yo, my father Italian, bro.
Oh, no, brother.
Alright. The G said no. If a prank Italian come with a prank, yo, boy, alright, right side, guys, we have 4 nuggets on my side. Zoe! Big up your damn self. Blam, thank you so much. Anna, thank you, guys. We are trying to cut down number 5, guys, before she come on. Help me on, please. May I beg 4 wheel, guys. Guys, 22K to that one, help me, please. Help me, chat.
Oh, la copy.
Come on, Messiah. Port up our roads, guys. Port up our roads.
Come on, chat. Focus.
I grade. Hot girl, I grade. Guys, wanna follow I grade?
Focus.
I grade was one of the first or second new TikToker where they go #1. It was a 2-time. What the next girl? Are the 2 on now? We think on the sister. What the next girl name? I grade. Are the 2 on man? One next go brown.
So people, we want to know if this a joke thing or a serious thing. You see me I say? Cause it look to me like say some joke thing. Shana Chin X-Man around pan, you know what I mean, slime them. You see it? So let me know what you think, my people. We'll watch look a bit more and then we're gonna go over to IVANY N MADA.
Guys, don't stop asking who that. Don't stop with us wait until we hear from both parties. What is what? Obviously, it must be a reason. Don't just chill out and nobody will cause a feud. We have no gloves. What's your name there? You get no gloves a while ago, Abby? Alright, so.
Act like a man, talk like a man, and walk like a man.
But IVANY, you cannot get away from the fact that my cousin fear, and my cousin is a batty man. And if you are you send hands beer, send hand in a old tree, my cousin IVANY soon come. Whether me a batty man, yes or no, but you're a friend with a girl. So the same blood clot where you feel about destiny. You can't fool destiny, you can't fool me. You will never forgive destiny. Because remember destiny.
You can't say that. You can't know IVANY, go on, IVANY, go on.
One other destiny, if she can't hate me, so I'm never talk nothing bad about eyes. But I'm say when eyes are cry, she will look for blood clad eyes. And your supporters them will never tell you the truth. Because they don't want you block them. Me, I'm not a friend from you. You don't follow me, I'm not follow you.
But madam, but remember say no. Madam, but remember say no, you have said things about her, you know, she never trouble you, know.
Make sure ask her question.
Remember say she never trouble you, and you first started things about her, you know.
No, please. I don't think about her, wrong to her. I want to question for me, sir. Well, on the app, I do reviews. I actually like the bitch. I actually like her, but I like the dirty version of her. I like the dirty part of her. I like the part when she do her content. And when she do her content, I'm going to see she get the whoop abuse them. I'm going to say, you know, some girl that have talent and she can't do the thing or whatever. But I like the dirty part of her. When I can't talk to her, ask the question. Calm down. Ask the question. What's the question?
You should not love me as a stranger. Love yourself, and if you loved yourself,
but I've love myself already.
Natural man.
Okay, you said the bitch shall be shared the destiny. I didn't see what she will do. But hold on.
No, stop this. Stop this. Stop this.
How can I not love myself? Hold on, I'm answer this.
Obsessed with me?
I'm answer this.
Are you obsessed with me?
No, I'm not obsessed with you. I'm obsessed with the truth.
Every time I ask the upon one life, you want to talk to me.
I lie and tell. I every time I talk to you, bitch. And I talk boy with them. I want to do the things that you know what you're doing now.
Me go always.
Listen, you go always. Okay, tell that to the people that love you.
They know that.
Guess what? I'm honey. I'm not no handout from you. I'm not no recognition from you. I'm not no knowings from you, so I can't talk the truth. And the truth will always set me free.
And that's why I allow you to let off everything.
I let off nothing at all. Because guess what? You can be as calm as you want. Because this shit ain't gonna work with me like what you did with Shay, baby girl. Because listen, you know you're a trifling bitch. You know the things you do. You know the things you do. You know that, and you know in your heart, you know like destiny. You know deep down in your heart. Yes,
you know what I'm saying? You know, like, where y'all give me involved for? Y'all talk to me and y'all give me involved. Where y'all give me involved for? You don't give me involved. Nobody don't care about me and IVANY. We ever cut or ever fight. Nobody don't care about me and IVANY. Do not get me involved.
Let me ask him a question.
Because you don't make you know like you can't say that you don't know in our hearts. Me that come and me that say me don't like IVANY. I'm deep in my heart like her.
If I don't like destiny, what that has to do with you?
It don't have nothing to do with me.
So why are you so wait?
Because you are a trifling dirty bitch. And you know when I'm gonna talk about it, bitch. You can't stop me from talking about it. Cause I'm not gonna follow us from you.
And I are friends.
I'm not gonna follow us from the IVANY. I'm not no good name for you. I don't want to be at the table. Whether I'm at your table or not, I'm still gonna exist.
Okay, look at Michael Jackson when in a casting.
I'm can't look at Michael Jackson and that don't mean nothing. That don't mean nothing. You're just an individual who will not accept when they're wrong.
I know.
IVANY, I can guarantee you right now, would have better than Kino. But that's your way.
I know, that's why you're obsessed with me because you want to talk to me. I know.
It's obsession, girl. I'm supposed to be there to believe it's not obsession.
That's why y'all can't leave me alone.
Follow me, guys.
Say that to me.
Follow.
If you considered, me realize you consider yourself as a big woman.
He's not a big man. Stop it, man.
Them call your mother.
I am a big man.
And I realize that all of them look up to you as a woman, as you
I am a big man.
yourself.
And guess what, honey?
You're a woman, but you want to. You don't want gender.
But listen, at least
you have on girl clothes. You have on lash.
Good advice.
But you still
Can anybody call you and get good advice? Can anybody call you and get good advice? People don't really like you, IVANY. Don't think they like you because you have the views. Don't think they like you because you have the views. They are on your live because your live bring drama and excitement. I have girls. I have about 40.
Why would somebody call you for advice?
A 40-odd girl I bring through who are woman. I'm a fierce advocate of women.
Why would somebody call me for advice?
I love women and I don't
I'm a
compete
beggar.
with women. When you're pretty, I tell you
I beg.
When you're up, I tell you you're up. That's
only
me
thing
being
somebody
real.
What is the issue? So what is the issue between
you both? Actually, because she don't like nobody tell her the truth.
But nobody doesn't get me involved. What am I getting involved for? I want to come here, everybody just come like say them get ignorant, them just get obsessed.
I'm not accustomed to anybody telling me.
And then personally, IVANY, I'm friend and talk back.
I'm not looking up crowds. I'm not
so you don't want to hear the truth from mother then. You want to hear it from someone else.
Everybody.
Nobody can tell me the truth. What truth? This is like truth on there.
Alright, the truth is, honey, sometimes you appear to be a bad mother. Not saying you are. Not saying you are. But sometimes sometimes you appear to be a bad mother. I'm not saying you are because I don't know. I don't know what goes on behind closed doors. But IVANY,
come on, guys,
I don't want your problem really because guess what? You're accustomed to girls sucking you don't like girls.
But you look like a swell fish, so I know when you suck my
I can't act like a tell it to Destiny, don't tell it to me.
Swell fish right now.
Alright, tell it to Destiny, don't tell it to me, honey. Because guess what? I am always gonna tell you.
No, I know. I'm you she attack. I know me she attack.
No.
If me
Whatever she
listen,
says to me,
no.
no.
If me can disrespect every baby, if me can
No,
this,
she wants to
if
say
you claim
you.
to me this eyes, that means that me I this every baby then.
I
If me
never
tell a woman to them, that means that me I tell every woman.
Okay, alright.
Why you she tell I know me she tell I you she attack to?
Okay,
Why you everybody have to stand for them own?
Alright, listen, let me not get you involved. I want to ask you one time. Please remind me. I want to tell you one time when I ever spoke ill of ice. I never spoke ill of ice. I don't put babies involved. You put babies involved. You get babies involved.
USA. Go and find your judge. That is what I want.
Keep pretending to already, bitch. Tell it to your friend.
That is what
Yeah, you're not
you
friend.
need
I don't want a validation from you.
And stop
I
worrying
don't want
about
a
me.
validation from you. Girl,
Okay,
girl, what the man? Girl, the Batman for a validation from you. Are you you still make a Batman here?
And if a Batman want, what the have to do?
Okay, and you're born a woman. So why you telling me about woman with a man?
Alright, my people, so let me know what you think in the comment section, because me feel like say mother want knock IVANY. It's not nothing about not liking her. Me just feel like say she like her too much. I want in things with her. You don't know what I mean, right? Yeah. So me just feel like say that because she just a talk about knockings. I just knocking she a talk about, or him a talk about. You see me? So I can watch some more my people, because me so end it.
Why are you talking about woman with a manhood? If you man, are you make a man?
You ain't
who
fucking
are
this,
you
though.
to tell me, my man? Can you get that? A man, my man.
Nobody can miss me on no style.
You look like one.
Nobody can.
Rita, I don't feel like a man. Guess what, IVANY? I can tell you this. I can be a great mother. I can be a good mother because I know love and I experience love and I know what it feels like. I would never be a mother crying for
You can be a father, not a mother. You'll never be a mother. You is a man. You could be
No, I am a man. I'm your friend too. I'm gonna stop saying.
You is a man.
Are you bold enough to say it to your friend?
Say what?
That your friend is a man too.
Most of the